Hello everybody, today we make struffoli. Struffoli in my city, the Italy or Sara, we call it i cicirella. And the struffoli, I got all the ingredients over here. And I got flour, sugar, salt, sprinkle, honey. I got anisette and I got peanut oil, lemon, orange, o portugal e o limone. And I got eggs. Okay, now we start the dough. And I put flour. I got the sugar. Pinch of salt. I got over here anisette. And I got the peanut oil. And I got the 3 eggs over here, but I want to scramble a little bit before I put it for the flour. Okay, now this is a nice scramble. And let's put it right over here in the flour. Okay, now we put the zest for the lemon. Because this will give a really good taste for the struffoli. Cicirella. I gotta do now the orange. Oh, this will give a really good. It smells really good. Okay, now this is done. And now it's the time of the mix. Now I want to say maybe a lot of people want to liquor or say to this. It's okay. Use eggs and use the water. It's it. Okay, now it's the time of the mix. And I mix it by hands. But if you want to do with the machine, the scramble everything, you can do that. But I like using my hand. I use 3 eggs. Okay, it's a small eggs. But if you got a big eggs, use only 2 for 2 cups of flour. Okay, now this, I gotta mix really good. And I put it on the board. And this now, you gotta use your, to make it nice, the dough. It's the time of the mussels. No mussels, mussel. Look, flaky. Okay, now this mix really good, but it's a little bit soft. And I want to use, it's all, like maybe it's a tablespoon, it's all flour. And I got enough, that's it, I'm not using no more. I take all the flour out. Okay, now we gotta wrap in a plastic wrap over here, and we gotta keep in the refrigerator for half hour. Like this. Put on this dish in the refrigerator, like I say, for half hour. Okay, it was a half hour in the refrigerator, and now we gotta start do this, because we gotta make struffoli cicirella. Okay, now I want to pack. Look at beautiful color you got this. Oh, so nice. Okay, now we gotta start the cut of this. After we gotta roll, make it nice and thin for the cicirella struffoli. Okay, now I cut it like this. It look really good. And I got the oil on already. Cause this you gotta be fried. Okay, now we gotta start the roll. Okay? And when you roll, make sure you don't got enough flour, because you put a flour, the pasta slip, it go away for you. The thing, you gotta be like this. I'll put it right over here, and we do all this the same thing. The story, it is like this. When I was in Italy, my mother, she was making cauzzungil, zeppole, cicciariel, and she said, everybody get out of the house. She don't want nobody to bad, and she was to stay on the fireplace. You see, over here we got a stove. You know, there wasn't no stove over there. And fry everything with the wood. And when she make, I told her the truth, he was really good. And this every holiday like Christmas and New Year, she was to do this thing for everybody. Okay, I roll and I put on the board, but when it stick a little bit, you put a little flour like this, you loosen them up. Okay, now it's time to start the cotta, il cicciariello. This you gotta cut almost the same size. I cut like this is small. It come all this almost the same. Hey, I don't got the measure. I do like this. Now one time this che you cut, I want to show you what you gotta do, cause you don't want to stick it together. One time you finish your cotta, make sure to loosen up everything, you don't want to stick it together. Yeah, like this one, you see? And you gotta make sure to take it out everything. If the flour, not too much of flour, cause after when I gotta fry, I take all the flour out. Okay, now the peanut oil is ready, but make sure, you see this? No flour. I take it out everything. You see, I'm nice and loose. And when you put inside, make sure stay away. You don't want to be burned with the oil. And I put this. And I give a little turn. Do not stick it together, because this everything you gotta loosen up. And I got already the dish with a paper towel. Because this, you gotta take all the oil out when you fry, okay, it's be done. How long, I don't know. You gotta make a beautiful color. And do not rush, and make sure to turn all the time. Okay, now look at the color, nice gold brown. Look at this. Beautiful. I take this, after I got another load to go. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we got to prepare the honey. I got the sugar, because we got to saute il cicciariello. Now the packets are ready, and we put the honey it got to be hot. Look. Okay, now we put some sugar. I take a clean spoon and we mix all the sugar and honey. It look really, really good. And now, il cicciariello. Good. And we mix everything really, really good, because this, the honey, you gotta go every place. Okay, now this is ready, and we put it right over here on this dish. All right. And we put this right away. One time it started to cool off, this it comes so sticky. Okay, now we gotta finish with sprinkle. And look at this, how beautiful. Okay, now it's the time of the taste. But I don't want somebody to say, Pasquale, what happened? You drink water tonight? No. This is a grappa. And this is really good with grappa. With cicciariello, grappa. So good. Salute cin cin. Really, really good. So delicious. Nice, nice, nice. The honey, the chicharilla, the sprinkle on the top. Tastes good. Salute e cincin everybody. Thank you very much. Okay, now it's time to start the cora, I chicharilla, the stromboli. And we do like this.
Struffoli.
The struffoli chicharilla. Okay, now, this you gotta cut almost the same size.
What's going on?
It's sticking in my hand. Isn't that what I gotta do?
Good?
Delicious.
And now put your hands in here and mix it up. So